Hi guys, it's Josh with Bingham Marine, Texas. Just taking a look here. Tip of the day: you guys running bass boats, running 60 and 80 mile an hour, need to verify your steering system. Check for leaks, check for sloppiness. In this particular application, I was looking at the hydraulic steering here, and I noticed that it's got quite a bit of play in it. I'll try to get you a good video here. See where it's moving. The steering nut is actually backed off here, and it's loosened up. So guys, take a look at this stuff. It's a safety thing. This can cause chine walking and cause the boat to move around when you don't want it to. Check us out on Facebook, BinghamMarineTexas.com. Thanks.